In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Spotify. So in order to do this, you will need to use the web-based version of Spotify, so you'll need to go across to spotify.com. So if you are using something like a mobile device, then what you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser and go across to spotify.com. So let's get straight into it. So what we're going to do is, once we come across to spotify.com, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So you can see in the top right hand corner, I've got my profile section, and you can see at the moment I haven't actually got a profile picture loaded. So to actually change this profile picture, if you do have one loaded, or to add a profile picture, what you're going to want to do is come and click onto this to bring up a drop down menu. And then from here, you want to click onto profile. It's going to take you across to a page that's going to look like this, and you'll see we've got the big profile picture here. So all you want to do from here is hover over, and you're going to get a little pencil icon saying choose photo. So all you need to do is give that a click, and what it's going to do is take you to your downloads folder. But of course, if you do have a picture saved anywhere, you can just navigate to the folder and do it that way. And what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the picture that you want to upload. So in this example, I'm just going to upload my logo, and what it's going to do is crop it to the right format, and you'll see by proceeding that you do agree to give Spotify access to the image you choose to upload. Please make sure you have the right to upload the image. So of course you don't want to use anything that's possibly copyrighted or anything like that, because you could get into some trouble. But once that's done, all you want to do, you can change your name as well. You just want to click this save button down here, and you'll see just like that our profile picture has been updated. So if we look in the top right hand corner, it's also been updated here as well. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to drop a like on the video to help this video get around to more people that may be looking for this solution to this problem. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify, then make sure to click the on-screen prompt, which is going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify. Also, if you do want to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related, then make sure you do click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be informed whenever we do upload a new tutorial. So I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you in the next video.